In this lecture, I'm going to show you how to use the Linkin and Linkout nodes. With these two nodes, you can actually connect and exchange data between nodes that belong in different tabs or in different flows. And you already know how to do that using the global variables, but this is an alternative way of exchanging data between tabs, and it's quite easy to set up and especially useful if you just want to share data point to point or node to node. So let's reuse a couple of existing flows. I'm here in the complete node, and what I'll do is I will use a Linkout node, and let's say connected to the third output of my test function. So then I want to print out that message that is emitted by the third output of the test function. I want to take it from here and then pass it on and print it in the catch node flow by message 3 debug node. So to make that work, I'm going to use Linkin. At this end, I'm going to connect that to message 3 and then go back to my original, so Linkout, and I want to link that to this catch node. So just double click on it and the edit Linkout node window pops up, and it already knows which Linkin nodes are available in other flows, so I can select that. Of course, and now you can see it graphically that the two have been connected. An easier way to do it is to give it a name. So I'm just going to call this in node test in node so that it's easier to see in the listing instead of just the random node ID. It's not random, but the node ID. So I'm using a name instead of the node ID here. Now I'll deploy the flow and just going to turn off all of the outputs in this node and these outputs in the target node. This is the target node, and I'm going to take printouts or show printouts from all nodes regardless of the flow. So let's trigger the inject node. And you can see now that message 3, which belongs to the catch node flow, outputs number 3, which came out of this output and through the Linkout node into this Linkin node and then into the message 3 debug node. So Linkin and Linkout offer an alternative way for data to be shared among nodes that belong to different tabs.